A very warm evening to everyone. Welcome to Viricham TV. This is A. Monastri from Grade 5 Astra, presenting the news for the day. Today's headlines. The federal government has extended the ban on international passengers flights until February 28. Central Board of Secondary Education will announce exam schedule for Class 10 and Class 12 on February 2. India has started the world's largest coronavirus vaccination program. The Supreme Court has issued an order giving 1 more week to conduct medical consultation in Tamil Nadu. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has presented the Economic Survey 2020-2021 in Parliament as budget session is all set to begin. The Supreme Court has ruled that the federal government has been lying idle on the list of nominees to fill about 40% of judge vacancies in the High Court. UN Linda Thomas-Greenfield, the US ambassador to the UN, has said the issues of granting permanent membership to countries, including India, in the Security Council is debatable. Veteran Gandhian and anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare will go on a hunger strike from January 30 to back the agitation of the farmers in Delhi. 438th birth anniversary of King Tirumalai Nayak was celebrated on Thursday in Madurai. The Intermediate Public Examinations 2021 in Telangana will be held from May 1, 2021. Weather report. The Chennai Meteorological Department has forecast showers in Tamil Nadu for the next 3 days. Sports news.
Audio Jungle.
The Indian cricketers on Thursday cleared their first round of RT-PCR tests and will be undergoing 2 more rounds before starting training from February 2 for the upcoming Test series against England. With this, me, A. Monastri, signing off with the note of keep watching Viricham TV. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.